Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a house bell. First, let's gather our essential components. You will need a doorbell push button, a chime unit, and a transformer. Make sure you have enough low-voltage wire, typically around 50 feet of 18-gauge wire. The transformer usually provides 12 or 16 volts of power, which is safe for this type of circuit. Having these items ready ensures a smooth building process. Now let's connect the wiring. Take one wire from a terminal on your transformer and connect it directly to the chime unit's terminal labeled transformer. Next, run a separate wire from the chime unit's front terminal to one of the two terminals on your doorbell push button. Finally, connect the remaining terminal on your transformer to the second terminal on the doorbell button, completing the circuit. With the wiring in place, it's time for assembly. Securely mount your chime unit on an interior wall, ideally near an existing electrical outlet for the transformer. The doorbell button should be installed at a comfortable height, usually around 42 inches from the ground, next to your front door. Double-check all your wire connections to ensure they are tight and properly insulated. This prevents any short circuits and ensures reliable operation. Finally, let's test your new house bell. Once all connections are secure and the transformer is plugged in, restore power to the circuit. Press the doorbell button firmly and listen for the chime. It should produce a clear, consistent sound. If it doesn't work, carefully recheck all your wire connections and ensure the transformer is receiving power. With a little patience, you will have a fully functional house bell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.